Hello everyone, it's welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is a blessing, another blessing from one of my friend gave us a pressed bitter melon, ampalaya. Sariwang ampalaya por munggo is yummy, is good for your iron. So make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, hello everyone. Shout out to you all. Please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinel Vlog. So, who won a better melon? Bitter melon, fresh bitter melon from one of my friend garden. Share their blessing to us. So, thank you. Shout out to you, my friend. You know who you are. And God bless. And thank you for sharing your blessing. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and God bless everyone, and take care, and see you again soon for the next vlog. And good evening everyone, and good morning there in the PI Philippines, and afternoon somewhere in UK, wherever you are. Mabuhay tayong lahat saan man tayo naroroon ng sulok ng mundo, and God bless everyone, and thank you for watching. See you again soon. Mabuhay, and ingat saan man kayo naroroon ng sulok ng mundo. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and stay safe as always. Take care. God bless. And thank you for watching. See you again soon. Have a good day, and have a good evening, and have a good morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you, and God bless you all.